Episode 24, Xavier's Advocacy for Social Justice. Hello everyone. In this episode, we explore St Francis Xavier's remarkable advocacy for social justice. Xavier's tireless efforts to address social issues and champion the cause of the less fortunate left an indelible mark on the Catholic Church's legacy in promoting social justice. Xavier's efforts to address social issues. St Francis Xavier was not only a missionary, but also a passionate advocate for social justice. His work extended beyond religious missions to address the pressing social issues of his time. Xavier devoted himself to advocating for the less fortunate. He actively worked to alleviate poverty, provide aid to the sick, and support marginalized communities, embodying the values of compassion and charity. Support for marginalized communities. Xavier's advocacy extended to the marginalized communities. He sought to uplift and support those who were oppressed or neglected, actively working to address their needs and integrate them into the broader society. Education and empowerment. Xavier believed in the power of education as a tool for empowerment. He established schools, recognizing education as a means to uplift the less fortunate and provide them with opportunities for a better future. Legacy of Xavier's social justice initiatives. Xavier's initiatives for social justice left a lasting legacy within the Catholic Church. His commitment to addressing social issues and advocating for the marginalized set a precedent for social work within the Church. Impact on the Catholic Church's social justice initiatives. Xavier's legacy significantly influenced the Catholic Church's commitment to social justice. His advocacy inspired and influenced subsequent social justice initiatives within the Church, emphasizing the importance of serving the less fortunate. Emphasis on compassion and charity. Xavier's work highlighted the principles of compassion and charity as fundamental values in addressing social injustices. His approach emphasized the importance of love and care for those in need. Enduring principles of social justice. The enduring principles of social justice advocated by Xavier continue to inspire social outreach and welfare programs within the Catholic Church, emphasizing the importance of serving and supporting the less fortunate. St. Francis Xavier's advocacy for social justice was a testament to his commitment to serving the less fortunate. His tireless efforts in addressing social issues and championing the cause of the marginalized left an enduring legacy within the Catholic Church, setting a precedent for social justice initiatives. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's advocacy for social justice remains an integral part of the Catholic Church's commitment to serving and supporting the less fortunate, thus embodying the values of compassion and charity.